Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some farmhouse inspired cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse inspired cottage decor blends two blend styles. The rustic warmth of farmhouse living and the cozy storybook charm of cottage interiors. It creates a homely, inviting, and timeless atmosphere that feels both practical and romantic. Here's a detailed breakdown for you. Key elements of farmhouse-inspired cottage decor. Color palette: neutral tones, whites, creams, soft grays. Muted pastels: sage green, dusty blue, blush pink. Warm, natural tones, soft beige, honey oat, warm taupe. Natural materials: wood, distressed beams, reclaimed furniture, farmhouse-style tables. Stone, cozy fireplaces, rustic flooring, linens and cottons, silk-covered sofas, ruffled curtains, quilted throws. Furniture style: simple, sturdy farmhouse tables paired with mismatched vintage chairs. Slip-covered or tufted cottage sofas, painted hatches, open shelving, and weathered dressers. Farmhouse benches and wicker accents. Patterns and textiles: gingham, plaid, and floral prints. Handmade quilts and crocheted throws. Lace trimmed linens and ruffled slipcovers. Decorative touches: mason jars, enamel ware, and galvanized metal buckets. Vintage sinks, iron stone dishes, and wooden trays. Hanging herbs, dried flowers, and cottage garden inspired words. Lanterns, candle holders, and rustic pottery. Cottage garden fill: add indoor potted herbs or hanging baskets. Display fresh flowers in big jars or glass jars. Floral prints on cushions, curtains, or wall art. Decorating tips: mix old with new. Pair a modern farmhouse dining table with vintage cottage chairs. Use thrift or flea market finds for authentic character. Layer textures: combine wrought wood, wicker baskets, linen fabrics, and soft quilts. This creates that lived-in, welcoming feel. Keep it light and airy. Stick to soft whites and muted tones on walls. Use pastel accents, sage, dusty blue, blush, or add charm. Add handmade touches, crochet doilies, patchwork quilts, hand-painted sinks, or dyed centerpieces. This gives the home a warm, personalized look. Cozy up sitting areas. Use slip-covered chairs, throw pillows with floral prints, and chunky knit blankets. Thank you so much for watching the video.